Hi, it's Phil from PT Precision again. We're just doing a brake job on this car here. Look, your front and rear brakes, if you do disc and pads or machine and pads, roughly $400 odd here or there, depending on the make or model. But some people, some mechanics out there, this is about cheap servicing, right? So you can get cheap parts for any part of the car. I refuse to use them. The quality there, I wouldn't put it in my own car. Why would I put it in somebody else's? These discs are absolutely, like, you can feel, I know you can't see on the phone, but you can feel how bad and grooved, not flat. That is not flat. There's a massive lip on there, and someone's just gone and thrown cheap shit pads in it. I mean, these are high Q. They're made in Korea. Crap, right? Wouldn't put them in my own car. So you got these. These are the rear discs. They've still got plenty of material on the disc itself. So we've machined this. So that's a machine. We've machined this one already. Right, that's ready to go. We'll clean that down with hot water. We'll clean the brake calipers and the slides. Put some new slide grease in. You've got to use a proper grease for the slides and some Loctite for the nuts and bolts. That's that done. Oh, that's the machine on there. So this is why we're machining it. Again, it's got a lip there. I don't think you'll see it, but and the disc, you can feel it's outer. It's got grooves in it everywhere. So we machine that up. We'll replace it. We'll use a proper brake pad. This is a Bendix brake pad. You pay more, but it's a branded name. It's a better brake pad for any car. So that after we've done that, we're actually going to do a brake fluid flush as well, because it's been, I think, 4 or 5 years since that was done. It's meant to be done every 2 years. So water and dirt gets into the braking system. So that's it's about doing the job right and properly. Okay.